What's going on, guys? This is part 2 of my journey into the air filter. So if you haven't already, part 1 is for the installation process, basically just showing, how to put it on and all that. This part is going to be about how it handles, what I liked about it, and, the pros and cons and all that. First of all, I gotta say, this is one of the greatest, probably, air filters I've had. It's a really good design, really good parts. They really didn't skip on anything. All the metal is really well built and cut and all that. So, number one, the bike is a lot faster, I think. On the low end, when you're getting, in first gear and you're starting to move a little bit, you really do feel better throttle response and everything, really. They made it really easy. People at MaxAir, they made it really easy telling you what jets you need, the float bowl level, how to adjust it, everything. They were really helpful. And once you did all that, the thing just runs so smooth. When I'm wide open throttle, you can really tell that a lot more air is being pressed into the bike. It's not hesitating to try to get more. It's just free flow, balls to the wall. You get everything you can out of it. And the only way to get more power, I think, is to actually get inside the engine. You really do everything that you can with this air filter and, of course, like a custom exhaust, like a straight pipe exhaust. Another thing that I really like about it is the design, the minimalistic design. I mean, it's self-explanatory. There isn't a big dog bowl dish on the side anymore. The bike looks more sleek. It's thin. It's sharp. I really like the design of it. I like how everything's tucked up inside and really well put together. And I really just think that the stock air filter, or if you can even call it that, just air collector, it's restrictive. It leaks. I found, air would slip out when I was riding, if that makes any sense. It really is a good design. The only thing that I can say that isn't good about it, I'll probably play a clip here in a second, but at high speeds or wide open throttle, it may just be for me, but I get a slight gurgling noise. I don't know what this is from or if I can prevent it, but it's a minor flaw, but I don't like it. It seems like too much air is either being pulled in, which sounds weird, but maybe the stock elbows aren't made to work with it 100%. Maybe if you had a metal collector or something that attached straight to the carburetor, then that would be better. But it sounds like a rubbery, gurgly noise. And maybe that's a good sign. Maybe it just has a lot of pressure. Maybe everything's so tightly locked in together. But again, it's a minor flaw, and you really only hear it that good when it's like wide open throttle. But I would give it a 9 out of 10 score, in my opinion, just because of customer service, design, and overall build quality. That really everything just was good. My whole experience with it. I would highly suggest buying this. If you have a Vstar, I think you should go with this over a pod kit because it really does make a difference with the forms and everybody helping you and all that. They make so much of a difference. But thanks for watching, guys. That's part 2. There might be a part 3. I don't really know. Probably won't be. There's not much else to cover. I did installation and review. After that would be like if something ever breaks in the future, I'll probably post another video about it. But I don't think that it will. So this might be part 2 of 2 parts. So keep watching the channel, man. Subscribe. If you got any questions about the bike or anything, leave a comment down below, and I'll probably answer it within a couple hours. But yeah, thanks, guys. See you later.